I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to change the multi-order status at the same time. Changing the multi-order status can help store managers to manage huge amounts of received orders effectively in less than a few minutes. Using the filter form and the bulk edit form of our plugin is a good way to change your multi-order status. So as usual, we need to filter our orders first. So we're going to use our filter form and set the conditions of any field relevant to the orders in that form, which we explained in how to filter order on WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin. For example, imagine you want to change the order status of the orders that are paid as cash on delivery. You can easily do that if you open the filter form from the main page and then go to the Other Fields tab and then choose Cash on Delivery from the list of payment method field. Alright, once you do that, go ahead and click on Get Orders and that's it. Alright, now we're gonna change the multi-order status. So you have filtered your orders successfully and now it's time to bulk edit their status using the bulk edit form. So go ahead and open the bulk edit form by clicking on the bulk edit button at the main page. Then go to the General tab and then find the status field. Now open the combo box next to it and you'll see some items such as pending payment, processing on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, failed, and trash. So just select one of the items, for example, pending payment, and then click on Do Bulk Edit. Alright, now it's time to add the status column to the order table. To make sure that the order status has been changed successfully for your filtered orders, you need to add the status column to the order table. So to do that, we're gonna open the columns profile form by clicking on that button in the main page and then mark status under the general field and then go ahead and click on Apply to Table. And as you can see, the status of those filtered orders has now changed to pending payment. Now let's see how we can change the multi-order status by bind edits. Sometimes it's easier for you to change some values of multi-orders directly from the table. And for that reason, we provided a bind edit option in our plugin. This option is only available for the values that are visible in the order table. So if you want to change the multi-order status, for example, you have to add this column to the order table first. Now, because we've already added the status column, we can use the bind edit option for bulk editing this value. So let's do this. First, mark the products that you want to change the status of. And then we're gonna click on Bind Edit. And once you do that, you should open the combo box of the status column related to one of the selected products and then choose the item you prefer from the list. For example, we're gonna choose On Hold. And that's it. Now just wait for the plugin to change the value of other selected orders in less than a few seconds.
What?